Hey everybody! So today we're going to be unboxing this thing. I've been looking at projectors for a little while, and this one came up, and I kept looking at it and reading about it, and I was like, you know what? Screw it. We're taking the plunge. When I was doing my research, all of the videos were like a week old. I'm like, why? What? And they're all like infomercial because they were sponsored by the company, however you say, Aurzen. But I'm not, so let's see if this works or not, because all the other ones, they show it working, but it's very much, I got paid to do it. So I didn't. Let's check this thing out and let's see if it actually works, because I have a fairly bright room to test this in. Okay, so I bought this because we don't have a TV in the bedroom, and I wanted something that wasn't a TV. So let's see. Instructions, cap, blah, 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 blah. Okay. I'm going to guess this is the power supply and stuff. Yep. Power supply. Remote control. Clicky buttons. And it takes 2 AAAs. And the power supply is 110 watts of output power. So 2.5 watts in, or 2.5 amps in at 110, 120. And we have a 2 + 1 year warranty. What? Yeah. Okay. I might warranty. And manual. That might come in handy. And lastly, we have the unit. Oh, what's that? Oh, the cover wasn't on. Okay, so it's like a friction fit. Yeah, that's all. Just a friction fit. That's kind of shitty, if I'm being honest. Yeah, anyways. Got a volume knob that has a peel. Okay. And then we have a piece of foam. And to rotate, we have some speakers. I hear something inside, so that's lovely. Well. Lift up. There we go. That's our filter. And it is replaceable. And there is our fan, which there's no information available right there, so no idea what number it may be. Anyways, let's go over it real fast. We have the big ass lens, some sensors, a little autofocus camera, volume button, a speaker grill cover thing that's got scratches all over it already. It might have a film on it. I can't tell. Anyways, quarter 20 thread, as we saw, filter, and a base that goes 180 and 90. All right, let me plug this in and point you at the screen. Okay, so I just plugged it in, and you can see the glowy light. I'm going to press it. And there it's starting up. So, okay. So, out of focus, blurry. That fan is actually quite noisy. Can't we Can't see what it says. Oh, there we go. Okay, let me turn down the lights in here. There we go. Even with the sun shining around it, that looks pretty good. Home. Press home and back. Okay, so the remote is Bluetooth. That's kind of cool. I mean, right now we're doing setting on my bed. Anyways, I'll be back. Okay, so just got done doing the Google TV integration, and then I'm presented with this network privacy policy that you cannot deny. So I guess okay. Chromecast built-in, always available. Yes. Oh, okay. I'm not done apparently. This has been about a 5-minute process so far. Okay, so I took off my wireless mic, and as you can see right here is the fan vent. I'm going to hold my microphone about 6 inches away from it. I don't know if you can actually hear it from where I'm standing, which is about 2 foot away. So that fan's quite loud. I understand once I have, this outputting audio, it probably won't be noticeable, but as of this second, it's quite loud. Also, we're still installing stuff on Google TV. It's been another 5 minutes. Okay, so after about another 5 minutes, I went to the other room for a few. So all I did was install a couple apps, Max, YouTube Music, YouTube TV, and Prime Video. But apparently it installed all of the apps that it went, hey, which ones do you want? All of them, apparently. So I don't like that, but that's Google, not the projector's fault. Anyways, the screen looks more washed out than it does on camera versus my eyes, but I do want to see in the settings if there is a brightness setting. So okay. Yes, backlight standard high. Didn't change, did it? The fan kicked up, but that was it. Eco, okay, that changed it. Standard didn't change it. And yeah, I don't really see anything. And I'm going to guess brightness is going to change the backlight. It just kind of washes it out more. And definitely kicks up that fan. So that's not cool. Okay, so I got one of my videos loaded up here. Come along with me and check out my emulation station retro bat Windows. That is 50% volume. My living room TV. It's not a build. It's kind of like an overview of the hardware, and then I'm just showing you what it's capable of. So yeah. Can't really see it with the lights on. Let's dim the lights.
All right. So in this,
that's viewable.
A gigabyte.
I'm gonna mute that because that's loud. For 50% volume,
I think is the motherboard.
That is
128.
Pretty respectable. Sadly, I can't play anything, copyright. But sounds good. If I actually remember to do a full review on this, then I will have to remember to include my thoughts on the sound. But I forgot one thing. I wanted to show you what the power draw was. So, as you can see there, the power draw is currently 85 watts. So, that's not too terrible. While it is in the off mode, you can see it's using about 7-8 watts of power. First impressions, sounds pretty good. I didn't notice if I could hear the fan, but I don't think I really can.
Because this
fan's still noticeable. Once I put it up on the ceiling and everything like that, then, you know. So stay tuned to the channel. Going to get this mounted and properly, you know, framed up and everything. And yeah, thanks for watching.